What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera app. Now click on the settings icon and then scroll down to the end and click on reset settings. Now from here click on reset to reset your camera settings. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your camera settings back to default that you have customized. So after doing this, the camera lag issue will be fixed. So just simply tap on reset and then your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then press and hold on the camera icon and then click on this information icon. Now here scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage, clear the cache memory of camera app. So to clear, just simply tap on clear cache and then the cache memory of camera app will be cleared and camera lag issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try updating your mobile software. So to do this, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here click on download option if you have any pending update available, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, the camera shutter lag issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.